Guys, this is the video for newbies who don't know how to use Tradingview. I'm going to show you how to use Tradingview on mobile phone. Okay, so just go to your Play Store, Apple Store, install Tradingview, and immediately you install Tradingview. You are not going to see any coin like this because I just added this. I just sign up, do everything. So now for you to now create this list, you click on this particular plus button. I cannot create because I'm using the free Tradingview and they will not allow me to create more. They say I've created enough. I have to subscribe. Me, I don't want to subscribe. So all you need to do is click on add playlist. Okay, so these are playlist. This one is playlist, spot is playlist. So just create one by clicking on this plus button, and immediately you create. Remember how I told you I can't create more like I told you. So now for you to be adding coin to the one you have created, let's say you created this. So now let's say you created the name it whatever you want to name it. So for you to add this coin, remember I told you, let's say you listen to what people are saying, the coin people are saying, like in my Telegram group, and you to follow, see, unsubscribe from all those nonsense channels you subscribe to on trading, on X, on Twitter. Follow people that talk about money, crypto, investment, airdrop. Do follow them, unsubscribe, unfollow all those other ones that just make you laugh and forget your life. So now YouTube, the same thing. Subscribe to channel talking about crypto. The coins you are hearing about, add them. You'll be looking into them, not buy. If you hear signal, no buy, add it here first. When you add it, study the chart, just like I've told you. If you have not watched the video, check the previous videos I've made about the best coins to buy, about the best crypto strategy to use and make money in this crypto bull run. So just be adding, you understand? So now another way to add is just to go to your kucoin. Remember kucoin and mexc, they are the one with a lot of tokens. So you go to home, then you check on top gainers, add the ones you like. Maro is a top gainer, add it and start watching Maro. If for a Maro to be top gainer, it means that it's a crypto with a good potential. Add a lot of them. Don't buy, you know the buying strategy, so make sure it after the dip it pull back. Okay, so even though we are in bull run, there is not enough pullback, but add it. Go to losers, add a lot of them. So you search the coin. Let's say now I don't know about these ads. I want to add this ad and see what it can do. If I open ad here, I can open it on kucoin, but it will not give me the good view. It's not good, so it's not professional. So just come to Tradingview and click on plus. Then I will say ads USDT like this. Then you can see it's on kucoin, it's on mexc. So the trading platform you are using, you can add the one that is related to any of the trading platform. I'm using mexc and kucoin for my spot trading. So you click on this plus button to add it. So you can see it has been added. So that is it. That is how you add all the, you can see ad have been added. So I can now open it. So that is how to add a list, okay, list of tokens to your playlist. You can create as many this list have maximum amount it can take. If it's full, create another one, add another coin. Like you can see, I add more to different, because if you're using the free one, there's limitation of the amount of token you can add. So that is how to add coin to your portfolio, to a watch list or your playlist. So that is it. The next thing I will show you is that, so let's open one of the coin. You click and now we open. So for you to do your analysis, I said it's technical or price action. So like I showed you the method I show you. If you don't know the method to buy, you know, I just bought file around here and you know the reason why I buy. If you don't know, go and check my other videos I just made recently about what to watch. The only thing you need to make money in the crypto market. So this is a good buy, you know it already. So for you to draw this trend line, we call it this diagonal line that is like this, it's called trend line. So now for you to add these tools that you'll be using to draw, you understand, like I used to add this one, this position and take profit, blah blah blah, like this. So for you to do something like this, all you need to do is add all the things you need, the tools you'll be working with under this. You click under this button. So now you can see this favorite, you can see in that have been highlighted is the ones that have made favorite, so that I access them all the time. To do that, you just scroll, look at the one you are using. So most of the ones you will be needing as a beginner, you need a horizontal line, which is this. So you click and hold it and remove for favorite or add as favorite. So you will not see it at the top, you will search it at the bottom. You need horizontal line, like seriously. So you need horizontal line. You now add it to favorite. Once you add, you can see the function. You click the surface, it will come. Okay, let me repeat the process You just click on horizontal line. It will not drop here too. You click where you are. Say I'm dragging this from the screen where I want it to be. My take profit should be around this zone. I will drop it. I will click on the surface, and you can see it has appeared. This one, let me say it's my stop line. I'll drop it here. So now you can see that is horizontal line. So you will need another one, trend line. You will need trend line. Then you click on trend line. So you add it as favorite first, then you click. Anytime you want to use it, you now click. So when you click the surface like this once, just once, it is there now. You drag. You understand? So this is how I got this particular one here. So that is trend line. So another thing you will be needing is position, long position. So you go and look for it here, long position. You hold it and add it as favorite. It will come at the top. Anytime you want it, you now click. So then let's say position. I'm entering from here. I've already added. Let me delete this one. So I'm entering from here. So you can just click the surface, it will drop. Any tool you click, when it comes to, okay, let me repeat it. Any tool you click, like this long position, is there. You are not, if you are dragging, it will not drop. But when you click once, click on the surface of your phone, it will drop. Then you not drag and where you want to take profit. So what it means now, this position means that this is the place I entered. I want to enter from here. This is the place I enter, 6.5. Then my stop loss is here. So now what is telling you, you can read the data. What I can see from this data is that it is below. Here is 35% I'm losing. And if I'm winning, I'm losing 145%. And the ratio, that is the reward to risk to reward ratio, this is the risk. The risk is the risk to reward ratio is 4. Meaning that if I lose this percentage, I will get 4 times of that percentage, which means if I lose $1, if my stop loss is $1 now, I will be making $4. Okay, and for you to customize this thing to your color, you understand? To customize this thing to your color, what will you do now? For you to customize this to your color, you just click. If it is highlighted, you can see the editing tab here. You can see the editing tab, the white. If you want to change this one, it means that this. Then the hash bottom is this. You can change the color of this. So that is that for that. Anything you want to customize, you click it and blah blah blah. So now, let's say you want to put a particular stop TP. Someone send you signal, the TP, you want to check where the TP is, the take profit. When you add this horizontal line, you can double click on it. Anything you want to edit, double click on it. So you will now tap the figures here. So let me say at 12. I want to take profit at 12. So now you can see it will automatically drop this thing at 12. That is it. So now the next thing I will show you is that you will be needing rectangle. Okay, like this rectangle. So you add it to your this. You add it to your favorite, and you can drag. Immediately you click on something, you can drag. It will not, but immediately you now click, it will not drop the thing. Then you not drag it to expand the thing. So why I'm having this color is from setting. If I want to change the color, I will double click. Then I will come to text, the background, the text. So the background, play with the setting and see what you'll be getting, the text. Then you can see if I want to write something inside that, I can put the text in white in any color. So just play with this thing and you see how to edit, what it will be giving you. Double click, come to text, change some of the things, see what you are getting, text, change some of the things. So these are some of the things you might need. Is there any other thing? Yes, the candle from your trading view. The candles from your trading view, what color? You can see me, I'm using black. Black and red. Okay, red is dropping and the black, that is what I want it to be. So if you want to change the candle, click on the candle. Okay, click on the candle, double click on the candle, double click. It's always double click. If you want to edit anything, double click on it, so it will take you to the editing interface. So you can see the candle, I'm using this like red, like what is it, horse blood and black. Okay, so that is just it. Play with it and see what it will give you. Anything you want to edit, double click on the item. You see the option you have for that particular item. So now to add indicator, like I'm using 2 indicators in all my charts. Like if I go to daily now, you see it will appear 2. So I'm using 2 indicators. I'm using EMA, the exponential moving average, the 200 and the 20. So I know anything above this 200, we are going up. Okay, so it will also help in so many things. So it doesn't matter, I've shown you the strategy. But when you see now, for me to have full confidence that this was going up, you can see this trade line was broken, just like what I taught you, and the brokenness is also above the 200 moving area, so it's a very strong up for me to buy. Okay, so you can just come to the plus icon and you click on the indicators, and any indicator you want to put, you search for the indicator. Let's say I say moving average or exponential, moving average exponential. You understand? You can only add maximum of 2 if you are using the free trading view. So that is indicators. So what other? So the chart, the color of my chart, of the body of my chart, you can see is gray. Other people is white. I think the default is white. You can change it if you don't want white, if you want like my own or any other. So you can click on the body, or you can click on this particular option, then you scroll down, you go to chart setting. So the background, if you want it to be solid, change it and see what it will give you. There are options there. Use, if you want grid line, change it. You see, if you want watermark, change it. You can increase the level of the watermark by clicking here. Watermark means to write the name of the coin or the body of that blah blah blah. So that is just it. Play with the setting. For more option, you click backward, you will see more option on the setting. You have symbol. So if you symbol means order the candle that we just show. If you did not double click on the candle, you can come to symbol. There is status line. Check, do this thing and undo them, see what they will be changing for you. Anything you do, if you spoil the thing, go back to there, go back to chart setting, go back, then go there and do again scale. So play with this thing, see all the things it will be changing now. Anything you click, like I click this one, go and check what it add and what it remove. So that is how the best way to learn this canvas. So you can see background, you can see this is the background under canvas. So the background I told you is solid and I'm using this gray. So you can see I'm using this gray. So go and check it. That is how to change. If I check this to white now, you will see it will turn to white. So let me change. You will see it will turn to white. Okay, so you see it's now white. So if you want, I want to change it back, I'll just go back to the setting and I will change it to gray that I was using. So this is the color. So guys, play with everything, other setting. Alarm, if you want to set alarm, you click, you don't have to come here. If I want to set alarm, say I want to buy, if this thing come here, I want to buy, send me alarm. I will click, double click on the horizontal line, which I've told you. So I will click on the horizontal line, not double click. Double click will give you setting. I will click on these 3 options here. After single click, then I will add the alarm. So I will add the alarm. Okay, so that is it. So now for me to change the thickness of the line, I will click once. I'm seeing the color of the line, the one pick, I can check the thickness of the line to 3, so it will be bigger. So guys, that is how to do setting. If you do one click, it will give you option. If you do double click, it will take you inside. If you need more setting, you come to settings and do layer setting and blah blah blah. Click back, you see all the available options for your setting. So guys, this is how to use Tradingview. I believe this video help you. The more you do this thing, the more you become used to it. Okay, so the more you do this thing, the more you become used to it. Remember, you have your rent toggle. You can also, let's say you want to mark this demand zone, so you can mark it due to the color. You understand? You can save it if you want to save this, so that anytime you are marking 1 hour demand zone, so I will just click one option. I click on this 3 dot, then I will write what I want to write first. So let me write what I want to write. Double click, write what you want to write. Let me say M30. I have M1 already, so that it will not mess up my setup. M30. So let me say 30-minute block. This what? So M30. You understand? That is 30-minute zone. So if you mark it like this, you don't have to do it again, write it again. All you need to do, click on it, click on the 3 options. You say do template, then save. Okay, save as. So you can say this M30, 30 minutes. So now the next time, let me delete it. The next time I'm drawing a zone, let me draw block. I will draw block. I want to write that 30 minutes. I don't have to. Even the color. Remember, you do the color, set up the color. If I double click on it, sorry, if I single click, I will just go to this template. Let me look for M30. I will see it in the template, M30. So it will just bring out everything, the same color. So let me say now I want to change it to, I've already have some template. I'll go to template. I want to change it 4 hours demand. This is 4 hours demand. So you can see this how I set up my 4 hour. You see the color change. Even the color you save it with the write up, it will change. This is 4 hour demand. So that is just it, guys. So I've done enough. As you do this thing, you will learn more. So keep learning. So if I want this thing, so now if I want, sometimes you might have a demand level like this and you have another one on top. If you don't want this one to move again, you just click on it, click on the option 3 dot, you lock it. So this one will not be moving again. So I cannot draw. I can draw. I won't mess up with that one. I cannot draw my 15-minute zone, for example. I draw it. Let me just go to option. I say M15. Let me say I'm in M15. Okay, M5 with fair value gap. Oh, the M5 other block plus fair value gap. So you can see I now have that one on top. So even if I'm moving this M5, it will not be moving the big one because that one have been locked. Okay, I can unlock it anytime so that it will be moving. All right, guys, this is what I will show you on Tradingview. As you use this thing, you will be more familiar to it. Remember, we drop crypto gym. We talk about airdrops. Join the Telegram group in this channel. And also it's free, it's completely free. Everything, you are not paying a damn. You can ask questions about crypto, make money for yourself. Okay, so please, all I need from you is like this video. I don't know why people are watching my video, they are not liking my video despite they are getting some value. Like this video, comment, Tradingview tutorial on the video, and subscribe as we drop the next video. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.